Hey everyone, this is Mitch from NZCS. I'm sure you are all aware that support for Windows 10 will end in October 2025. In fact, after the 14th of October, Microsoft will no longer provide free software updates from Windows Update, technical assistance, or security fixes for Windows 10. The PC Health Check app brings you up-to-date info on your Windows device health, helping you take action to improve your device's performance and get it upgraded to Windows 11 for free. So today, I'm going to quickly show you how to do just that. As you can see here, we have a Windows 10 machine running Pro version 22H2. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to open a browser and search for Windows PC Health Check. Ignoring the junk at the top, I'm going to scroll down a little bit and look for the official Microsoft support link. There it is. I'm now going to scroll down a bit and install the app and get it running. So the main purpose of the PC Health Check app is that it checks for Windows 11 eligibility. If you're currently running Windows 10 like this machine, PC Health Check provides a comprehensive eligibility check for your device to ensure it meets the minimum requirements needed for Windows 11. You'll get info on why your machine is or isn't eligible for the free upgrade and, if applicable, what you can do about it. As soon as you hit the Check Now button, the app is going to check my PC and see if it gets the green light to upgrade to Windows 11. So unfortunately, two things have been flagged for this particular machine. This computer does not have a TPM or Trusted Platform Module 2.0 chip installed. And also, the processor isn't supported by Windows 11. So in other words, it's too old. We can also click on See All Results to see what did actually pass the checks. You can see the PC supports secure boot. There is at least 4 GB of system memory or RAM. The system disk is 64 GB or larger, and the machine has 2 or more cores. This machine actually has 4. So it's all good in these areas, but unfortunately, no TPM chip and an older processor means no free upgrade to Windows 11 here. So this is how the PC Health Check app from Microsoft can help you determine whether your own computer is eligible for the free upgrade to Windows 11. If it is, I would highly recommend upgrading as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.